Why are your Facebook ads not profitable at all for you? What's up everyone, Shri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about the main reasons why your Facebook ads may not be working like you want them to. So like always, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, join the growing family. This is quality content I'm posting basically every other day, and let's just jump right into it. So after thinking for a while, I came up with 4 main reasons why I personally had trouble with Facebook ads, and also some of the main reasons what I see in other people who are struggling with Facebook ads. These may or may not apply to you, but there are some main reasons that are engraved in these 4 reasons which I think somewhat apply to all of the individuals that are struggling with Facebook ads. And the very first reason on my list is that you're making too many new ad sets with new audiences after a few initial sales. So I do know that it is very exciting to get a few sales on your Facebook ads for a new product that you're testing. You may get 1 or 2 sales right away on the first day, and then you immediately begin to create new ad sets for the specific product. This is actually a very risky move because just because you get a first initial sales doesn't mean the product is a winner. What Facebook does is that it shows your ads first to the individuals who are the most likely to purchase your products. And this is why you may see that on the first day or so you get a sale right away. And this is called a lucky sale. So we want to be more sure that this is just not a lucky sale and it is actually a good product. And to be sure of this, you want to be waiting 2 to 3 days before you do anything with the ad set. So do not make a bunch of new ad sets and post them right away just because you got a few sales on the first day or so. I personally lost over $1,600 in one day because of this. When I was a newcomer and I had found my first profitable product, I actually went crazy because I wasn't having much success with Shopify, and then immediately I began to get success with this one product. And the solution that I thought to getting $1,000 days and $2,000 days was to make hundreds of new ad sets and just post them thinking, if I have more ad sets, I'll get more sales. This actually really cost me a lot and I lost $1,600 that day. That was actually the worst day of my life. But this is why I'm here to tell you guys not to make new ad sets right away and wait 2 to 3 days before you make any kinds of changes or you try to duplicate the ad sets and scale them. And this brings me to my second point, which is trying to scale too fast. Again, this ties into the first point, which is thinking that it's a winner because you get a first few lucky sales. You guys have to spend at least 2 to 3 days monitoring the winning ad sets before even thinking about scaling. Because again, we want to eliminate the lucky sales and we want to be 100% sure that this product is a winning product. And to scale your ad sets, there are different strategies that you can use. I actually have a very good video on scaling where I go over 3 main strategies, and the link to that video will be at the end of this video. So do check that out if you have a few winning ad sets and you're not sure how to scale them. But again, you want to make sure to wait at least 2 to 3 days before scaling. I know you guys want to be earning $1,000 per day or even $10,000 per day, but remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to take it gradually and scale it gradually because if you're going to be stupid like me and just make a bunch of new ad sets on the very first day, then you're going to lose a lot of money just like I did. So use the scaling strategies outlined in my video. Take it as a marathon, not a sprint. And the third item on my list is that you're getting way too attached to one product. And I personally did this as well. So this is one of the main reasons why I see a lot of people struggling with their Facebook ads is because they're getting way too attached to one product and they're trying everything they can to just make it a winner. If a product is a winner, you're going to see good results starting from the first day. And your stats on your Facebook ads, you'll have low cost per link click, you'll have low cost per purchase, and everything across the board will look amazing. So it's not rocket science, guys. You'll know when it's a winning product, trust me. And again, remember, this is not a sprint. It's a marathon. You want to kill the losers quick so that you don't lose money like I did, and scale the winners gradually. It may take some more time for you to reach $1,000 per day, but you will get there, I promise. And you'll have a lot more profit than the rest of the people who scale their ad sets within 2 days. And my fourth and final point for why your Facebook ads are not profitable is because you're not testing enough. You may be wondering, if you test more, don't you lose more money? Yes, you may lose more money if you use the bad strategies, but you will have a much higher chance of finding a winning product much more quickly and earning all of that money back in a matter of a few days or even weeks. And to find these winning products, you want to use Facebook ads, you want to use the Power Ad Spy, which is a Google Chrome extension. Again, it's in the video on how to find winning products, and it's on my channel, so do check that out. And you also want to be using Amazon. Basically, you want to use everything that you can to find winning products. There are hundreds of winning products out there. It's just you need to put in the time to research and find those products, because they're not going to come to you. You have to dig them out. So this was just a quick video on why your Facebook ads may not be profitable for you. Again, there are main key reasons in all of these 4 key ideas I mentioned. So you want to be scouting for exactly what you're doing wrong with your own Facebook ads, and possibly use this list as a guideline to see where you're going wrong and improve from there. And if you're really struggling, I do offer consulting calls, so just leave a comment down below if you're interested in one, and I'll get back to you. But I do hope this video was helpful for you all, and if it was, just hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.